Well, today is 6 months since we started doing it, and we put everything in two areas. One, the garage, and then all the clothes came down here to this closet. This is the real nitty gritty here. This is real life. I had bought like 14 of those Tupperware things, but I absolutely had so much more than that. It was ridiculous, the amount. I wish I would have shown you guys before because it was literally like piled up to here. Like I couldn't even get inside of there. And it grosses me out. It disgusts me. Like, how does a family of four have 3 tons of clothing? I received a couple DMs, and yes, it has definitely been a therapeutic process. It is awesome. It changes your views on so many things about yourself, especially on your financial self. £70. So 70 times 4 is 280. So my family, on average, buys 280 pounds of clothing each year. In 4 years, that would be over 1,000 pounds of clothing. That's a lot of trash. Not anymore. Not my family. We are donating all of our stuff to this charity here in DeSoto, and they sell gently used items like a thrift store. 100% of their proceeds, though, go to help spread faith around the world.